see. Fill the Holy Spirit.
Oh,
Drive me up the food I eat, and even bind my hands and my feet. But as long as I know Jesus, then I and you can still go free. That I could still go free. What kind of man would reach down his hand and do this for me? I was unworthy to live. I was not fit to kill. But then a man on the cross, he put me in his will and said that I could still go free. Now I never could quite understand why the King would want to leave his throne. That's a special kind of love, you know. Don't alone, unworthy man, feel the pain of the flesh, flashing on. Then to later trod an older earthly path that led to Calvary, where the blood-red stains they proclaim my chains and said that I could still go free. I could still go free. What kind of man would reach down his hand and do this for me? I was unworthy to live. I was not fit to kill. But then a man on the cross, he put me in his will and said that